Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to show you just how well the GB Racing engine covers work. To be fair, it would be just a-okay with me if the kid wasn't crashing the bike. But at the end of the day, a great way to learn how well products work is to actually put them through the test, to see how they live up to their intended application when they're put in a real world situation. This is the original GB Racing overcover that we installed on our 2018 STG Ninja 400 project bike. You can go back and look when that video was originally done. That cover's been on the bike the entire time. I rode the bike a bit. I had one fall, but I think my fall, God, which side was my fall on? Can't remember if it was on this side or the other side. Irregardless, this cover, as you can see, has been on the ground a number of times. This has been on the ground for all of Max's Moto America falls. He's had 3 falls this year. Each one of them was on the left side of the bike. I've been servicing this rear set and this foot peg this season, right? And each time I've looked at the cover and it looked great. We finally got to a position where it wore off enough. So we've got 3 crashes this year. He had one little fall last year at Indy. We have some Wera racing that he did on this bike. This bike's hit the deck a couple of times, unfortunately, with Wera, and this is all part of racing. This shit just happens, right? But look at this. Look at all the thickness that's back here. You know, we finally hit a spot where I'm like, I'm going to get a replacement now. We're going to put it on there. This is still good enough. I'm going to just put it in the spares just in case, because, I mean, you never know at the end of the day what's going to happen. But looking at this as a consumer and the value and the performance from the product, what I can tell you is what we experienced with this GB stuff is it did exactly what it was supposed to. It prevented any additional damage that would have kept us from being back out there competing later on that day or the next day. And the price for these is very reasonable, worth every single penny. Proof positive, this shit works.